When creating a new website, there are many things you have to do to make your website more SEO friendly. But there are so many things that you can create a checklist. But you don't need to do that. You don't need to take that effort as we've already did that for you. We've created a comprehensive SEO checklist. But before we show you the checklist, just one small favor. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. So, let's get started. So the first thing which should be on your checklist is setup, which starts from buying good hosting for your website. Good, fast hosting will decrease the loading time, a ranking factor. Although the hosting server is in one location, which means if someone requests your website from another location, your website may appear late. Hence, to make your website fast for every location, use CDN, which can decrease the loading time. The next on the list is the SSL Certificate, which makes your website secure. And it's also a ranking factor, so get that certificate now if you didn't. After this, you need to set up accounts for you to help analyze your SEO performance. So the first is Google Search Console. It's an effective SEO tool that you can use as a beginner and an SEO expert. It's free, and once you make an account, you can have access to vital metrics like significant traffic bringing keywords, fixing errors on the website, checking the page experience score, viewing total clicks on your page, the position of the company, etc. The next is setting up Google Analytics account. After being on board on this Search Console, the next logical step is to make an account on Google Analytics. Linking console and analytics will provide you with some crucial insights that will enable you to arrive at better decisions. It has many features like gauging the traffic from Google, checking if the traffic has increased, revealing the source of other sites or engines that might be contributing to your traffic. Oh, and also you get to know about the average bounce rate, page views, and average time spent on the site. Then the next is adding an SEO plugin to your website. An SEO plugin can help you find issues in your SEO, which can be very beneficial. The few most popular SEO plugins are Yoast SEO, SEO Press, All-in-One SEO, etc. After that, try to make your website mobile friendly because mobile friendliness is essential as users prefer to search on mobile. For this, you may need the help of the technical team, and if you are using WordPress, try to use responsive themes. Now you're done with the setup, and it's time for a checklist of one of the most important tasks, keyword research. As a business, your website's content should rank for a few keywords or key phrases which people search for, and for that you have to do keyword research. But you have to start the research from somewhere, and for that, the first step is to find your STEM keywords. STEM keywords are the main keyword of a niche. For example, if you're a fitness supplement brand, your STEM keyword will be protein powder, whey protein, soy protein, etc. So choose the right STEM keyword as per your niche. Then the next task is finding the keyword ideas. The first and best place to find keyword ideas is simply Google. You can just add a niche keyword in the search bar and get auto suggestions that people search. On the search engine result page, you'll find the related searches section, which is also a great source for keyword ideas. And the people also ask can also provide you with questions related to your niche. Then find keyword ideas from social platforms like Quora, Reddit, Twitter, etc. Another way is to use keyword research tools, exploringtopics.com, Answer the Public, Google Keyword Planner, Google Alerts, Google Trends, etc. Once you're done with finding keywords, the next list is analyzing keyword metrics. You should analyze keyword metrics like keyword difficulty, clicks, monthly volume, trends, etc. To check this, you can use free tools like Keyword Planner and even advanced SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, etc. Once you have chosen the content you are writing a blog on, it's time for a content optimization checklist. The most important in the case of content is your target keyword. Firstly, add keywords in the URL, the content's title, and the keywords in the content. You need to use keywords naturally, but do not overuse keywords. After keywords, the next thing is writing great content. The content you're writing should be comprehensive and easy to understand. Don't just write the basic text. You need to add quotes, lists, tables, which will help the viewer to understand better. Plus, you have to add a title and heading in the content, which should have a heading tag known as H tag. The title needs to be H1, which is the biggest, and the other headings can have H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 headings. Also, in the content, you need to add internal links, which is the link to other web pages of your content. With this, also add external links, which are web pages of another authoritative website. Like we give headings to text, naming images makes Google understand what the image is all about. So to make Google understand images, there are two things to do. Firstly, name the image correctly while saving, which defines the image. And secondly, add an alt tag that is a bit descriptive while adding a photo to your page. Now, let's see the technical checklist. The first thing you should do is add correct scheme markup, a code you can add your head section of web page for various types of content like article, news, review, etc. You can find free tools or plugins to create these markups. Plus, you also need to focus on your web page's indexability, if they are indexable or not. To check this, check the Cover It section in the Google Search Console. With this, check for errors related to the page like crawling errors, broken links, etc. Now, focus on improving your website's page experience and core web vitals. If you don't know what core web vitals are, please check our video by clicking the I button in the right corner. Now, the last is the off-page SEO checklist. The most important thing in off-page SEO is building high-quality backlinks. Like, the best way to get high-quality links is email outreach, in which you ask other website owners to link you. With this, you can also go for guest posting and a broken link building campaign. You can participate in a podcast, check on competitors' links, and try to gain their links. So that's it. This is the comprehensive checklist that you can use. The whole checklist is displayed on your screen. Take a screenshot if you want. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click the bell icon for notifications. You can also visit our website, papervideo.com. Thanks for watching.